Meet the Doonan Hotshot. Built specialized, a gooseneck designed to run behind your tow vehicle of choice. A narrow arch drop built to move. Simple access from either side. 39 feet of deck, 30,000 pounds GVWR. Storage where you need it. Chain tray with pre-cut winch mounting provisions and a 2-inch receiver underneath, as standard. Aluminum heavy-duty ramps stored between the beams. Dovetail angle engineered to your spec, 10 degrees on this build. Dexter spring suspension, 15K axle, electric brakes, dual aluminum wheels, all wrapped in 215/75 R17.5 tires. Since 1974, we've never stopped building better. We stand behind what we build with a 5-year warranty. That's the Doonan difference.